Oh my god. I'm not so sure about this week. Oh, this is weird. Oh, oh. Alright, let's try this. This is how to use. You can use this as bath bombs and for cleaning. Yeah, no fucking. It makes sense. You can use this shit for cleaning. This shit's strong. Fuck. Yo. Welcome to Recipe Roulette. Here, we like to experiment with the 6 different flavor profiles: salty, umami, sour, sweet, bitter, and spicy. We're going to be experimenting by replacing one or more ingredients in an existing recipe to see if we can still create a balanced dish, but with a totally different ingredient that has that same flavor profile. We'll be spinning our roulette wheel to randomly pick for that mystery ingredient. Yeah. Alright, so it's officially summertime, and here we got some of my favorite fruits that are in season. We got watermelon, pineapples, and mangoes. Later on in the video, I'll teach you guys how to pick some fresh fruit without smacking them. With all this fresh fruit in season, I thought Tajin was a perfect thing to try to do my recipe roulette on. So I'll be trying to make my own Tajin today. So Tajin's ingredient list is pretty simple and consists of chili peppers, citric acid, salt, and dehydrated lime. So, oh shit. So I bought some citric acid right here, and I have some lime juice already. So I'll be rolling for the salty ingredient with this little dice popper that I just got. Check it out. Ooh, yeah. And I'll be spinning for the spicy. Whee! I'll have 3 attempts at making a good recipe. Alright, so our dice has 6 sides, and so we got 6 different salty ingredients that we're gonna try to roll for. Let's do this one more time. Yeah! Beautiful. Okay, so 6 different salty ingredients, and they are pickles, plum powder, flaky salt, fish sauce, soy sauce, and potato chips. Yeah. And yo, huge shout out to my girlfriend. She's standing right behind the camera this time. This month, she made us the spicy wheel. Last month was the sweet wheel. So if y'all want to check that out, please do so. But for this month, we got Korean devil gochujang right here. We got Hungry Man Tabasco. We got the Pride of Korea, Korean chili flakes. We got Thai chili peppers. And we got Old Lady chili oil. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to be using the sweet flavor profiles from the fruits to pair with the spicy, salty acidicness of the Tajin to create one of my favorite flavor combinations. Spicy, sweet. I just said that. But if you ever tried Mexican lollipops, the ones with the chili on them, like, yo, ever since I had that for the first time, like, I've been hooked. I'm going to try each fruit with each Tajin that I make. So we're going to have 9 different combinations of recipes pretty much. And so we're going to spin for the spicy and we're going to roll for the salty. For the first Tajin mixture, let's see what we get for our salty. Oh shit, 2. Okay, let's see what that is. Ooh, that's fish sauce. Okay, that's... Oh, okay, fish sauce. Okay. Next, let's see what we get for the spicy. Let's go. Ooh, yeah, good spin. Hell yeah. Ooh, okay. Old Lady chili oil. Okay, Old Lady chili oil fish sauce. Yo, I'm kind of scared of this one. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Alright, now we're gonna roll and spin for the second Tajin concoction. Let's go. Ooh, 5. Oh shit. Okay, what's 5? Let's see. Oh, plum powder. Okay, we got plum powder. Ooh, hell yeah. Plum powder. Alright, and now let's spin for the spicy. Whee! Ooh, okay, we already got Old Lady chili oil. Let's spin again. Hell yeah. Good spin, good spin. Ooh, Korean devil gochujang. Oh man, this is weird. Plum powder with the gochujang. Oh my god. I'm not so sure about this week. Okay. Now, for our last Tajin combination, let's see what we get. 4. Okay, what is that? Pickles. What the heck? Okay, we got pickles. And for the spicy, let's see what we get. Let's go. Gochujang with the pickles. Oh shit. Okay. No, not gochujang. Korean chili flakes. The pride of Korean chili flakes. Oh shit. Alright, so when you're picking out watermelon, few signs of a ripe watermelon. You want the overall shape to be a sphere and not like elongated. Elongated ones are more watery, while rounder ones are sweeter. You also want to check where the watermelon has been laying. Like if you see this is that spot where the watermelon's like on the ground. Whenever it's more yellow and has like more of these scratches and looks dehydrated, that means it's been like there for a lot longer, so it's more ripe. Also, I hear this trick a lot between Korean people. You see this like this whole thing over here. You want to find one that's small. This one's not that small. I didn't have the best selection at my deli. So you typically want it like half this size, right here. Also, the stem over here. You want the stem. You want it to be dry. You don't want it to be like a fresh looking stem. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh damn, this shit just about to pop on me. What the? Yeah. Ooh. Yo, this color looks nice. You see that? Ooh, baby. Yeah. God damn, I picked a good watermelon. Oh my god. The red color in this is almost as red as beef. This might have been the best watermelon I picked this summer. Okay. Alright, next we got pineapple. Okay, so I just learned this recently. The method that I used to use to pick fresh pineapple was I used to smell the bottom of it, because if you can smell how sweet it is from the exterior, then it would be sweet inside. But I just recently learned that if you just like take one of the top leaves up here and just like pull it like a little gently, and if it comes out easily, then it's ripe. So I hope this works. This is my first time or second time using this method. First time worked good. Let's see about the second time. This one's looking not that great, whatever. You know, in some countries, you can eat the core of the pineapple. I visit Taiwan and they eat the core because their fruit is just different out there. It's so humid and stuff, like just perfect for fruits. The color doesn't look that good, but taste-wise, it's like so juicy and good. It's I guess this method works. All right. These are fucking juicy. Should I squeeze one real quick? Should I just squeeze one? Should I just? Yeah! See how juicy that is? These are juicy. Oh my girlfriend's mouth is in shock. She is in shock. Her mouth's just wide open. I'll just put this in there too. Close it up. Yeah. Okay, so I went out to get mangoes today, and yo, everyone had like rock mangoes, man. They were so hard, like rock mangoes here, rock mangoes there. Like, I live in an area with a high concentration of Latinos, so whenever there's a fresh shipment or delivery of mangoes, like, yo, that shit draws a crowd. So all I got left was hard mangoes, and I have these overly ripe mangoes in my fridge. We're gonna use these for today, but yeah. Oh, and to pick a good one, pretty much like I just squeeze, and if they squeeze good, then they're good. All right, so crosshatch them, and then boom, we got cities. You got a whole little town in here. Wee, wee. Alright, so I laid out all the ingredients here that we're gonna try to recreate Tajin with. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of the lime juice and the citric acid into each one. With these kinds of things, you know, you can just measure with your heart, you know, and we just adjust as we go. Do I need to shake this? I'm gonna shake this real quick. Bow, 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 bow. Splash, splash, splash. Citric acid. This the sour stuff that they put on like candy and stuff. Ooh! Oh! 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 Alright, let's try this. This is how to use. You can use this as bath bombs. And for cleaning. Yeah, no fucking... It makes sense you can use this shit for cleaning. This shit's strong, fuck. Oh! I'm so scared. Or fuck it. Alright, so for the first concoction, we had chili oil and fish sauce. I am not excited about this whatsoever. I'm just gonna put in that much. This isn't Lao Gao Lao Gan Gao Bao Gao Gao shit. This isn't the old lady one. This isn't the old lady one. This is your Lee Kum Ki, baby. Oh god damn, this fuck. Here's the goddamn thing. Interesting. Needs more saltiness. Alright, next we had gochujang and plum powder. So yeah, this I see in Taiwan a lot. Like, I've never had plum powder until I traveled there, but they like to put this on fruits. They like to put this on French fries. So good. I know my girlfriend likes to put it on popcorn. It's very versatile. It's like salty sweet. Yeah, it's salty sweet. I'm just gonna go a little crazy with this, to be honest. Bow. This, that. Oh shit. Oh, ooh. All right. You know, this is fermented spicy Korean paste. I'm gonna give this a little taste. Oh, this is weird. All right. So last we got. Oh man, I didn't get the pickles. Here, can you get the pickles for me? Bow. Got pickles, and then we got the pride of Korea right here, Korean chili flake. It's pretty much like regular chili powder, but it's a lot more fragrant, and the chili pieces are like a lot bigger. Like they're just a lot bigger, the individual pieces. All right. I think adding pickles is gonna make it more salty, so I'm just gonna add some of my own salt to this one. Okay, much better. Much better. Alright, so we're gonna start. We're gonna do a taste test. Let's see how this ended up. I'm really excited for this chili oil fish sauce one. Let's grab this watermelon right here. I'm not too sure about this one. Oh, Iris thinks it's okay. Let me try it one more time. She thinks it's really good. Fuck. It's whatever. I actually likes that, but I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10. It's just like the watermelon's too watery. I can't really taste. It's like diluted everything. The pineapple, works much better with the pineapple. Oh shit, yeah, pineapple's like 7 out of 10. Oh, I was saying she likes the watermelon one better. Fucking weirdo. Okay, let's try with the mango. The mango one works even better with this. It's like, I give this an 8 out of 10 or 7.5 out of 10. That's really good. All right, next we got the gochujang plum powder. Yeah. Oh my god, I put too much plum powder. Oh shit. Don't measure with your heart. I don't know. I'm not too sure about that one. Next we got the pineapple. Yeah, so far I've liked everything with the pineapple better. What do you think? Iris agrees with me this time. Okay. These flavors are so intense. Good. Yeah, the mango one's been the best so far. The mango and pineapple have worked better than all the other ones. All right, next. Let's do the gochujang pickles shit. Big bite right there. So big bite. This is so interesting. Yo, pickles and fruit might be the new thing. Yo, this is good. This is so good. Wow. The pineapple tastes like flavor is like too strong and overpowers it. It worked better with the watermelon. Interesting. This is so interesting. Yeah, I'm really enjoying mangoes with pickles. Like this pickle thing, pretty good. All right, so that's it. If you guys have any recommendations for my wheel or any other ideas, leave them down in the comments. Thank you guys for being here. Peace.